Hey fashion lovers, are you ready to level up your style and your hustle? Our hustle, then welcome back to the Matters Home. We are showcasing the latest of lace styles, stylish African lace dress styles, new Kitenge dress styles, and how to make your first say as a fashion designer in this 2025. So if all these things I have mentioned interest you, stay with me till the end as you feast your eyes on the most stylish African lace dress styles designed for beautiful, confident queens like you. So from elegant weddings to chic parties, these dresses scream royalty and grace. And we are not stopping here, okay? Check out this new collection of jaw-dropping Kitenge dress styles. There are not just outfits. I made a video here talking about how to make ready-to-wear styles. If you have not watched that video on ready-to-wear Ankara, please watch it after here. You will gain a lot from that video. So let's talk business now. Apart from watching this beautiful collection, getting style inspiration, getting updated with our latest fashion trends, and how to get inspiration and make yours as a fashion designer or a fashion lover, there are other things that I want to share that are happening in this 2025. If you're a fashion designer and you are wondering how to make your first say online, here is the secret. I know that one of the challenges that fashion designers have is getting the right clients, getting those people that can pay you for what you are doing. I'm not talking of people that don't know how to do it. That's the misconception that we get. Two sets of persons. You are into fashion and designing. You don't even know how to make it so well. This 2025, try to go for advanced class. Know how to do it so well that somebody can pay you any amount. When we talk of the Vicky James and all that, it's because you know that Vicky James can't deliver. So when they pay her for that money, they know they are getting value for their money. Yes, it's not every designer that has this problem. But nowadays, you see just people doing trial and error. There is this video still in my channel that I told us about finding a particular niche and sticking to it. So just play around with my videos. You are gonna learn a lot of things. Yes, while we see a lot of inspiration and all that, we discuss fashion. So don't just be someone that you've learned tailoring 3 months and you are done, you have closed the door and all that. If you are in bridals, new styles keep coming up, new things. Have you advanced? Don't be that old tailoring. Be a well-designed fashion designer. So that's what I am just saying here. Update yourself.